GB have just released their MACH show offers. Of course, the event has been postponed until January 2021, so here is an opportunity to get your hands on additional capacity with an exclusive MACH package included for a limited time only. Please visit Star's website, stargb.com, to get all the details, but what I can tell you now is that the MACH package includes a free service, £2,000 worth of work holding, £2,000 worth of tooling, 5 days training, free HFT and installation from just as little as 48 hours. The machines available are on their website and the promotion runs for a matter of days. So be quick, because once they're gone, they're gone.